hope the stage left one.
So this is our stage. We're getting ready to set up for the 2017 Philadelphia Marathon. Right by the Art Museum. We'll be here Saturday and Sunday, man, rocking it out. Along with our friends from Yes Way, Ted, Spin, Wicked Garden, Haywood Trout, Mum's the Word. So to set this event up, this is our sound man, Sugar Rashad Reed. He's 15-0 and the current undisputed champion of mixing. He's plump, he's psyched. Are you psyched for this run? 5 a.m.?
Heck yeah. Wait,
Dietz and Watson's here. This is how we roll in Philadelphia. I'm gonna show you my perspective. How sweet it is.